the silence of the night, I hear you cry, but full of joy, tears of memories, a hint of pain, but altogether tears of happiness and thanks. When I see you all alone, I'm beyond words, tongue-tied and all. I'm so in love, I fell for you right from the start. Oh, what a memory to keep in our life, my love. Love is mystery, comes to us by surprise. Life's so beautiful, I can ask for another one. In the daytime, in our home, you are the queen of every soul, loving mother who nurtures well, and all of us look up to you with all our hearts. What a blessing I have here, I'm beyond words 1,000 times. Oh, what a love I have received. Oh, lucky me. Oh, what a life to give our God, our great, big, big thanks. Love is mystery, comes to us by surprise. Life's so beautiful, I can't ask for another one. I'm so thankful with my life, I'm beyond words. There's no regret, the life I've had, a gift from you, a gift to us. Is it worth living for? Yes, take good care while it lasts. Yes,